Ito, uuwi na dapat ako eh.
Tingnan mo po na, paano ginawa? Dapat lang.
Hi. Hey. Good morning.
Good morning, Tay.
So, Katie, this is Highway. Good morning. Kuya Lito and Mary Ann, but the other one is in the church. Do the module. So anyway, Kuya Lito, nandito po, magbibigay po kami si kryptotrekker ng grocery at napili po kayo si Marianne. Hi Marianne, are you sick?
May lagnat yan, Tay.
Oh, may lagnat. So anyway, she's sick right now. At dito sila nakatira. They live in this place. You can see it, KT. The little house. And they've been coming to church. And this is Kuya Lito. He's disabled. He cannot walk because of gout. And he has two grandchildren, Vanessa and Mary Ann. And they go to church for 7 years now. And they live in a little house made of plywood, and a little bit concrete. And they eat here, they cook here, and they sleep over here. And Katie, thank you for coming and bringing some food for them. It would be a blessing for them. And Kuya Lito and Mary Ann and Vanessa. Vanessa's not around, but here, Mary Ann, come on. You say thank you. Okay, at thank you Kuya Lito and Mary Ann for welcoming us at walang anuman po. And this is their place. And they moved here 8 years ago. That's great that we come and visit them today. Thank you.
Awesome.
Bugin mo!
Nani, kumuha mo yung nani. Hi, Jen.
Hello! Hello po.
Hi. Okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Sige na po. Kaya po po.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello.
Hi guys. The Katie group, they're coming to help you guys. Hi David. Come on David.
Hello po.
Hi. Hi Sarah. Hi Jen. Come on Jen. So this is the house of the abogada and this is the mother. She has 9 children. And this is the mother, Nanay Dig. And they have a lot in this place. They live in this place, renting. Her children are coming to church for 11 years now. And Katie, Jen, this is Katie. They're coming to give you some food, and you're one of the beneficiaries for them to give out. So anyway, Sarah and Abigail, they're cousins. And the little kid, this is the youngest one out of 9 kids. The eldest one is in church right now. So they've been staying, hi baby. They're staying here for a few months because they keep moving. They're renting a house. And yeah, this is the place right now. And Jim, thank you for welcoming us. And this is one bag of grocery for you guys. Oh, which one? Is this? Okay. This is for you. And Kitty, give it to you. Say thank you. And
Thank you.
you're welcome. Hi, Sarah. So anyway, thank you, Katie, for coming and giving us some food for them. Thank you, guys. Okay. Thanks. I'm not. So, Nanay Ding, we're gonna go to your house. Okay? Abigail, come on. Assist Nanay. We're gonna go to your house. Hi. Forgot your name. What's your name again? Are you going back to school, to church? Danica is coming. Going back or you don't want to come back? Yeah, that's alright. So anyway, 10 minutes, right, to walk? Okay. How are you, Nanay Ding? Are you okay? Is Justin in the house? Ah, okay, good. So, si Justin nasa bahay niyo ba? Oh, good. Ayaw mo. Are you okay? How about the women? Tawagan niya na. Siya. Okay. So, i-get mo ko ni Gail? Si ano po yan? Sa terasa.
Kanina pa.
Kailan pa tayo?
Hi! How are you guys? So, KT, this is the house of Nanay Ding. They're renting here with his son and with a lot of children, grandchildren. Hi, Justin. So anyway, they're going to church for 7 years now. And thank you for coming and giving us some food for them. They live in this place of Payatas, and this is the house. They've been moving because they're renting the house, and then they're new here right now. I think it's 5 months. But anyway, this is Nanay Ding. She's 70 years old, and the grandchildren, and yeah, they're part of the other one where we're 9 kids. The father was working in the dump site, but it was fired. He got fired. Oh, the company was closed because of pandemic. So anyway, thank you for coming again, and Nanay Ding, thank you for welcoming us. And Katie has something for you, Nanay Ding. And the kids, say thank you, guys. You're one of the beneficiaries for them. Katie, bye-bye. Thank you. Yes, hi Sandra, hi Justin. Thank you guys for welcoming us. And Katie, thank you for giving them some food. It's a great help for them. Okay, Nanay Ding, hindi na kayo magtatagal. Thank you for leading us to your house. And Kirby, Abigail, Rochelle, Sandra, and Justin. Kuya Eddie, we're gonna go.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Justin. Okay, Nanay Ding. Ingat po kayo. Salamat po. Hindi na ako magtatagal.
Wait lang, Bing.
Guys, ito bukan pupunta guys.